Hello Bladers! Maintaining your car is crucial if you want it to last for a long time. However, if you aren't well versed with cars, then you might have a lot of questions. But the number one question will most probably be, how do you maintain your car if you're not familiar with things to look out for? Well, you're in luck, because we've listed down 5 things you can keep track of to see if you need to fix your car ASAP. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here are 5 things that will keep your ride in great shape. Number 1, check the tire pressure. Before heading out, it's good practice if you check your tire's pressure. It will help avoid accidents and unnecessary trips to gasoline stations that will be very expensive. Always keep a handy tire pressure gauge with you all the time. Number 2, check the fluids. Try to allot time out of your busy schedule to check your car's fluids every week. Check if the amount of fluids in the coolant, water reservoir, oil, brake fluid, power steering, automatic transmission fluid, and the windshield washer have the right amount of fluid. Number 3, do maintenance checkups every 5,000 kilometers. It's important to swear by your maintenance checkups to see if you need any oil or filter change. So the moment that your mileage reaches an additional 5,000 kilometers or 7,000 kilometers for some vehicles, then you better drive to car maintenance shops. Number 4, replace your spark plugs and battery. Remember that spark plugs need to be replaced every year while batteries usually last for 1 to 2 years depending on use. Always remember these so you can replace them when needed because your car might die if you don't. Number 5, have your tires rotated. Like all things, tires are also susceptible to wear and tear. As such, it's important to have them rotated every 6 months or every 10,000 kilometers to make sure that they are in tip-top shape. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of your strategies? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.